My name is Haider Hammad and I am currently a student of 12th class. When I was in my 11th grade, I was wondering how could I prepare for my MDCAT examination. Through my father's links and connections, I came across by an app which is known as TopGrade. When I opened the app, I was quite enthralled by the material. Number one, it contains notes which provide you an in-depth analysis of the topic and the concept which is being taught to you. Second, it contains practice tests, and practice tests actually clear your ambiguities regarding the topic, whether it is physics, whether it's chemistry, whether it's biology. Third, it contains detailed video lectures, and the detailed video lectures actually provide you an in-depth analysis of the test as well as the syllabus, which is actually the part of the examination. To those who are going to take the examination this year and next year and so on, I advise you to actually go through this app once, because it actually provides you an in-depth analysis of the examination and the examination as a whole. So do try this app, and thanks.